Welcome to e-Chem Open. Today, we will be discussing alkenes. What are alkenes? Alkenes are acyclic, branched or unbranched, hydrocarbons having one carbon-to-carbon double bond, which makes them more reactive than alkanes. The general molecular formula is CnH2n. Because alkenes contain less than the maximum possible number of hydrogen atoms per carbon atom, they are said to be unsaturated. Formulae for alkene. The general formula for alkenes is CnH2n. For example, ethene. The molecular formula is C2H4. And the structural formula can be seen below. Basic naming convention. When naming alkenes, we add "ene" to the prefixes. For example, eth will become ethene, prop, propene, but, butene, pent, pentene, hex, hexene, hept, heptene, oct, octene, non, nonene, and dec, decene. Properties of alkenes. Alkenes belong to the family of hydrocarbons containing a double bond between carbon-to-carbon atoms. Alkenes are less stable than alkanes and more stable than alkynes. Alkenes are less soluble in water due to the weak van der Waals forces. Alkenes exist in all three solid, liquid, and gaseous states. The boiling point of alkenes depends on the molecular structure. The longer the molecular chain, the higher will be its boiling point. Functional groups are responsible for the polarity of alkenes. Reactions of alkenes. Alkenes burn easily in air or oxygen. Alkenes burn in air or oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water as steam. They burn with smoky yellow flames because they have a higher ratio of carbon to hydrogen atoms in their molecules than alkanes. These reactions are exothermic. For example, ethene will react explosively with oxygen in a highly exothermic reaction. Ethene plus 3 molecules of oxygen will give you 2 carbon dioxide molecules and 2 water molecules. Addition reactions. Alkenes undergo addition reactions with the other small molecules in which the alkene and the other molecule react to form one molecule. One bond in the double bond is broken and the compound formed is saturated. For example, water in the form of steam is added to ethene to form an alcohol. Comparison between alkenes and alkenes. The general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, and for alkenes it is CnH2n. The functional group in alkenes are double covalent bonds between the two carbon atoms. The type of hydrocarbon in alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, and in alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. The type of bond in alkanes are single covalent bonds, and in alkenes are single and double covalent bonds. The type of chemical reactions in alkanes are combustion reactions, substitution reactions, and cracking reactions, and for alkenes there are combustion reactions, addition reactions, and polymerization reactions. The reaction with bromine water with alkenes decolorizes the brown-colored bromine water, and the reaction with acidified potassium manganate sulfon with alkenes decolorizes the purple-colored solution. There is no change in alkenes. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thanks for watching.